These are the elevators at the Pear Tree Inn St. Louis Airport in St. Anne, Missouri. And I'm here with Elevator Explorer Plus.
Hello.
We have some older Otis that were modded by Otis. So let's take them for a ride. Let's see which one we get. We get this one.
Excuse me.
Up to 4. Let's send this one up to 4 and get the other one. I don't. There that one goes. And here we have this one. You can see the old Otis logo. And let's go up to 4. Now, let's go up to 3, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of Adam's hotel room.
Oh yeah.
This is what room Adam is currently in. And let's take a look. Here's your peephole. Can't really see much out of there through the camera. Here's your bathroom. Do you mind if I take a look in there?
Sure.
I'm going to give you a bathroom tour. Ooh, this was smaller than I expected. And then here's the shower. And right over here you have the sink. Hello. Tissues. And then there's a hairdryer right there. And now for the room itself. There's Adam over there.
Hello. Again.
Here's a luggage rack. You have a microwave and a fridge. And then some drawers here for storage. There's your TV. And then right here is your workstation. Here's the closet. There are some hangers, and it looks like there is an ironing board with an iron. Here's the air conditioner, and then a window to the outside world. This air conditioner is actually controlled by a thermostat on the wall. There's an alarm clock and a little charging station. And then over here is the phone. Not sure why it says jewelry. And then another charging station. And then one last time, we have Adam. And then here's that thermostat. Well, I think that is going to conclude this video. Do you have anything to say, Adam?
Please like and subscribe to my channel, Elevator Explorer Plus. And also, please follow me on Instagram at Elevators Explorer Plus and at Elevators Explorer and this is 2000.
And his socials are in the description. And that will be it.